Come to lie on your back with your legs outstretched. Bend your right knee and hug your leg into your chest. Place a yoga strap around the ball of your foot if you need to. Hold on to the ends of the strap, and if you don't need a strap, then hold on to your toes. Straighten your right leg up towards the ceiling while holding tightly. Stretch your right leg upwards with your foot flexed, but keep the ball of your hip joint resting in the socket, both sides of your bottom equally resting on the floor, keeping your left foot flexed and your left leg pressing towards the floor of the mat. Try pointing the right toes for a slightly different stretch, and you can go back and forth between a flexed and pointed foot if you like. Hold this pose for a few breaths. To come out, bend your right knee back into your chest, bring the left knee to join it and give your legs a little hug, and then you would do the same on the opposite side.